Going back to kind of basics, what is the step-by-step? You are going to go on to social media platforms. You're going to utilize this voice recording thing, and you're going to send it to a bunch of people. Most of these voice recording time limits are 60 seconds. Watch out for that. You want to make sure you're cutting it short. And then you're going to go one after one. You're going to get as many people as you can and you think might do it. And by the way, you're only going to get like half of them. So let's just say you want 100 written reviews. Probably going to have to contact like 200 people this way. It's not easy, but it's worth it. Most of these things that are personal, most of these things that are one-on-one, most of these things that take you some effort, they get you the best results possible. You'll get Sarah and Amber and Ashley and Carlos and Rachel. You'll get these people to listen to an episode or two. You're going to get credit for the downloads. You're going to get credit for the listens. You're going to get credit for the ratings and reviews. You're going to get credit for them coming back and binging and listening to more than one. You're going to get credit for them taking the time to leave the honest feedback and the social proofing. You're going to get credit by having other people that see these reviews, these honest reviews, to believe in the podcast and to try the podcast.